Oh no, I really don't need this right now. Are you kidding me? My tire pressure is low and now I need to call service. Like, come on. Let's see how this goes.
Hi, this is Brian, Rover Monmouth.
Hi Brian, I'm Suzanne. I drive a Defender and my pressure air light came on and I was a little concerned. If you can give me some guidance on what to do.
Yeah, absolutely. So you're seeing the diagram on your gauge cluster there showing the 4 pressures of all your tires?
Yes, it looks like all of them are pretty good except the front left one looks like it's at 36.
36. Okay, as long as it's not at 0 or close to it, it's probably a puncture with a slow leak. Could just be from the change in temperature. You can still drive the car. Are you close to a gas station with an air compressor by any chance?
I actually am. I am close to the dealership in Monmouth.
Oh, you are? I mean, in that case, if you're nearby, you can just swing right into the lane. One of the valets there will be able to fill up the tire for you, no problem.
Okay, sounds great.
How's it going? Welcome to Rover Monmouth.
Hi, I got a light on for air pressure. I was wondering if you can help me out.
Yeah, we could put some air in, just back it up a little.
Okay.
All good.
Thank you so much for putting air in my tire, and I greatly appreciate it. I'm glad I was in the area to stop at Monmouth. Have a wonderful day.